Kate here with WTI, and if you're busting out of your current cooler bag, this is the one you need from INSMEER. So as you can see, this is a soft-sided cooler bag, and it is huge. So in this video, you can see that I have 3 cases of drinks, and there is still plenty of room for more. So you can pack so much in here. We recently just went on a trip, and we packed a lunch to go every single day in this bag, and we had so much extra room. We're a family of 4, we brought all kinds of drinks, and then of course a large lunch, and there was still tons of room. I really like that it's waterproof, so you can throw ice directly into the cooler, put your drinks in, and it won't leak. The inside is also really easy to wipe clean after. You have full access when you unzip the lid. I love that. I hate struggling to put things in, so this gives you the entire surface area. It comes with 2 kinds of straps, so you can hold it with your hand or you can sling it over your shoulder. It also has extra pockets on the side and then handles on the side. So lots of options to bring it around. I've been really impressed with it. It's fit all of our needs. If you're going camping or to the beach and you need to pack a large amount of things for a lot of people, this will have you covered. It even has a bottle opener on the front so that you're ready for whatever comes at you. And that's my point of view.